I request all voters, especially the young voters, to come out and vote and express their democratic franchise. I expect the Biju Janata Dal to have a great victory both in the assembly and in the parliament elections. We will form a very stable government in the state again because of the people of the state's blessings and the blessings of Lord Jagannath.
Everyone should participate in the festival of democracy and exercise their vote. You have to be part of a vibrant democracy. India is known for its vibrant democracy. Let's all join together and increase the voting percentage and come in large numbers and cast your votes. I am very happy to exercise my choice.
Sir, what is the narrative like you come as a common man and you voted in auto and stood in line, waited for
No, everyone should, in democracy and judiciary, everyone is equal. So one has to be, it's better that one does like a common man. The auto association had requested me. They are our brothers, so I came in auto.